To record.
We peck and chirp.
So there's 6 of them.
And we chirp and peck.
Funny.
And we chirp and peck.
If you want to turn your body more this way, you can see them better.
Now
but I know, I asked you to turn the other way earlier.
I know.
But if you can't, that's okay. You got it. They're all so beautiful.
That's right, Blue.
Every single last one. I wonder if I can get closer to them without them getting scared. Is that fun, sweetie?
Oh, this is Polly. I thought Artie must be. That's Polly. Artie must be the
Look, they're okay with it.
On my head. See, Sammy's feet.
Yeah, Artie's on your head.
Right.
And Deanie. Hey guys, it's just a camera. Just because you guys are getting famous.
There, we'll call him the 6-pack.
The 6-pack. Instead of the rat pack, the 6-pack.
They're now the 6-pack.
Yeah. Have you seen my 6-pack? Yeah, I work on it every day.
Yeah, working on our 6-pack.
Working on our 6-pack. That's so funny. There's nobody on the floor. Everybody's on you.
Yeah.
How fun is this, baby?
Look at you, Artie.
Oh,
So we're
that's so
all having a
beautiful.
bundle of fun. You know, Sammy's feet are even turning blue.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
So I think Sammy's the oldest.
It's very blue.
His beak is the darkest of all of them.
Mm-hmm. Say bye to the camera.
So,
Bye.
bye-bye.
I meant you, sweetie. Bye.